Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. Creating and editing an HTML file within a Python script involves several straightforward steps. First, you can utilize built-in Python functions to create a new file or open an existing one. To generate an HTML structure, you can write the necessary HTML tags as strings within your Python code. Using file handling methods, you can write these strings to the file, effectively creating the HTML content you desire. For editing an existing HTML file, you would open the file in read mode to access its current content, make the necessary modifications by manipulating the string data, and then write the updated content back into the file using write mode. This process allows for dynamic changes based on your program's logic. Additionally, using libraries such as Beautiful Soup can facilitate more complex modifications, allowing for easier manipulation of elements and attributes. Overall, this method provides a flexible way to generate and modify HTML content programmatically.